안녕하세요. Aloha from South Korea. We went to Singapore. We had such a great time and we ate such good food. Our favorite was chicken rice. There's two different styles of chicken rice. One is the Chinese style, the chicken is boiled and the rice is cooked in the broth. The one we had is Malaysian style. I was told it was Malaysian style chicken rice and the rice is cooked in the broth, but the chicken is deep fried with batter. Oh, it was so no. And on the top, you can sprinkle on, it looks like large panko flakes. Oh, broke the mouth. Come, I show you. Oh, and the people were so awesome, so nice. The food was great, the service was great. Oh.
Oh man, we're like right in the center of the lunch crowd.
Gavin, what's those bubble things floating?
That's
Cable car.
yeah, cable car.
Have you been on it?
Mount Faber. Yeah, you can get on it.
No, have you been on it?
Yes, he has.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's hot? Which one are you getting?
Okay,
Ordering?
chicken rice.
Where? From where?
Oh, right here. This is what we came here for.
Oh, it says chicken rice.
Here. Can I have 3?
This is for the sauce.
Chicken rice. Yeah, and then 2 normal chicken rice, breast meat. No, just the normal chicken rice with breast meat.
Why is this your favorite?
Because this is awesome. And the chicken is tender. And the rice is very, really good.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. That looks spicy.
This is mine.
What is that?
It's a crispy top.
Oh. Oh, thank you.
That's mine. And this is the chili sauce. It's good.
You just eat it with the chicken.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
This is all together.
Oh, we get each get one. Wow. That's a lot of food. Hey, what are you drinking?
Lemon barley.
Lemon barley.
She feels
Can you smell the shrimp in it?
kind of hot.
It's got shrimp paste in it.
What is this?
The penyet and ayam penyet. What does the penyet mean?
What's that for?
Dip your vegetable in.
Smash it.
What is that you drank?
That's sambal chili. It's chili with shrimp paste.
Oh. No, this.
Oh, soup. It's just chicken broth. Chicken broth. It's It's a clear like consomme.
Ah.